Howdy folks, this is Jethro. I just wanted to come and do a quick video. Going to do a group entry into the small scale group build. It's hosted by Brian over at BG Model Works and Shawn at the Scale Model Car Guy channel. It's been going on all of February, but I just happened to, when I was at JaxCon, I picked up a couple of kits, 132 scale kits, so I figured I'm going to try to join in on this. I know half of the month is gone, but I think these kits are pretty simple, so I think I can manage to finish one of them up. I've got the 34 Ford 3-window coupe, and I've got the 49 Ford 2-door coupe, and I'm going to go with the 49 Ford coupe. I'm just going to do a quick opening, just show you what I got in here. It's the old Lindbergh. This kit's been around for a long time. I built these when I was a youngster. So anyway, here's the kit here, and it's all still in the bag. It was sealed when I got it. I just opened it up to make sure it was all there. It looks like it's all there. So Brian and Shawn, I'm gonna dive in and get started on this probably this weekend and see if I can get something going on it. I'm looking forward to it. It should be fun. So that's about it. Not gonna keep you too long. This is Jethro, over and out.